Wait. Before we start, we gotta wash our hands, right? My name is Malcolm. This is my sous chef, Ellie. And before we get started, we're gonna wash our hands really good, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. So today, we're making a plant-based dish with whole wheat pasta, artichoke, and mushroom sauce. All right, so I have a pot of water here. I'm gonna turn on the stove, get this boiling, and in the meantime, I'm gonna saute the sliced mushrooms with a little bit of garlic and olive oil. Get that going. It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
We're gonna saute the maitakes. We're gonna saute our onions. So we're gonna add some more cooking olive oil. This one, use quite a little bit. Nearly almost caramelized. It's like maybe a few more minutes from here after. All right, so we rocking right now. This looks great. Onions are caramelized. We're gonna add those mushroom trimmings that we had from before. Artichokes. I'm just gonna warm those through a bit. All right. A little bit of that butter. Smells glorious, right, Ellie?
Yeah.
Add the last little bit of garlic that we saved. Finally, we're gonna add the cashews.
Yeah.
As soon as this boils up, nice little simmer, we're gonna transfer it to a blender to make a sauce. All right. So, we're gonna take this mixture, get it into our blender.
Yeah.
Press on. Okay, we're gonna press this first. No, this one.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, again. So at this point, you see it's a little thick. We take some of that boiling water that we have. Should we add more water or it looks okay?
Yeah.
Add a little water?
Yeah.
All right. 1 or 2?
Maybe 2.
2?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try it. Smell.
It's
Good?
yeah.
All right. Ellie says it's good. That's why you have a sous chef, right?
Yeah.
All right, so it's about to get really exciting because we're actually gonna do 2 different methods of cooking, but then we're gonna combine them. We're gonna take this whole wheat spaghetti, divide it in half. 1 half cooked in oil, fried, 40 seconds, take it out. It's gonna be beautiful. Then we're gonna take that fried pasta, put it in boiling salted water with the other half of the uncooked pasta cooked together. It's gonna be like toasted whole wheat vibes from the fried pasta and then also delicate versions of whole wheat. I'm ready. All right. 40 seconds. 1, 2. Okay. So that's good. That's what we're looking for. Oh, don't do that at home. Our fried whole wheat pasta first. Let's add the rest of the pasta. All right, so let's finish this sauce. Pasta water, just to loosen it up a bit. Mushrooms that we cooked earlier. Touch of miso. I'm gonna check our pasta. Oh, this looks great. Yep, we're ready to go. All right. Just mix this up. Chop parsley. Last but not least, you can hit it off with your favorite finishing olive oil, a little salt if you want, if it needs it. Again, man, this is Malcolm, and thank you for cooking with me. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having. Bye.